Hey, what's up folks? In this week's project, we're building a mini fume extractor. This uses a 5-volt DC fan that we wired up to a USB connector. You can power it from a USB battery or plug it into any 5-volt USB hub. It's small and doesn't take up too much space, so you can move it around when you need to. We added googly eyes just for fun, but it actually looks more cute this way. The 3D printed enclosure snap fits, so you can easily swap out the carbon filter when it gets dirty. This absorbs solder smoke and will help keep the air clean. I designed it with a GoPro style hinge so you can adjust the angle of the fan. It's compatible with GoPro adapters, so it can be set up on a tripod or even a magic arm. The CAD files are free to download and they can be 3D printed without any support material.